Over the past year being on TikTok Shop as an affiliate, I've learned some things that can save you some time, money, and frustration. You want to keep watching. Let me share 5 of the biggest things that can help you grow faster. Number one, viral videos do not equal consistent sales. Sometimes we think that, oh, I got a viral video, let me quit my job, and I'm glad that I didn't quit my job because of a viral video, but I knew that if I continued to make viral videos, I had some traction, I had a track record, and I knew that that would be consistent. Don't think that that one viral video is now going to carry you from month to month to month over the next year. A viral video might carry you from one week to the next, maybe the third week, but after that, sales are going to start tapering off. And that's because either it's a trending item or it's a seasonal, if it's a special holiday, depending on what it is. Can you imagine Christmas items, right? They're going to pick up at the end of October, November, and December, but come January, no one's buying those anymore. That's why you don't just depend on one hit, but you need multiple videos and products that will be working for you. Number two, product selection is everything. Trust me. You might be interested in a product, your heart and passion might be behind it, but if your buyers aren't into it right now, you're not selling it. Success on TikTok Shop comes from choosing the right product at the right time. Always think about what people are buying right now during this season, not just what you like promoting. I've done that before, been there, done that. And you learn, right? You figure things out, and it's okay to fail. Hey, I'm going to promote this, I'm going to promote that because I like it. I like the item. Why aren't people buying it? It's because you're promoting what you want to promote versus what people are interested in buying right now. Number three, double down on what sells. If you find an item that is working well, create more videos on that product, do more lives on that product. All right. Now, I recently did that on a particular microphone. And I said, you know what? Let me try this same hook because a company had asked me to try this same hook. I said, let me try this same hook. When you make new videos, it doesn't mean that your new videos are going to the same people who are following you. You have a whole new uh, audience on the For You feed that it's going to be shown to. Yes, some people might get notifications, but every time you make a video, it's getting pushed out to a whole brand new, audience of people, maybe as well as your current followers. But we all know your followers. If you have 40,000 followers or 50,000 followers, you know for a fact on TikTok, all 40,000 or 50,000 are not getting a notification that you just uploaded the video. Why? Because TikTok Shop, for some reason, and TikTok in general, just doesn't want to send out those notifications. They got to have a little push and a little give, so where you have to work hard for, what you're doing. They're not trying to pay everybody all this money, and that's why they have the algorithm. Even without a brand deal, you can own that product. All right. Be the one who says, I am going to have the most videos on this product. I did it myself. I told myself that I was going to be the unofficial spokesperson for a particular item, and I did it. And guess what? When you look up that item and you go down to the videos, where it says, learn from successful creators, you see me, somebody else, me, somebody else, somebody else, me, and the top selling video, me. It might switch to someone else, but top selling video, me. And so whether you have a brand deal or not, you want to be passionate about the item, okay? Not just passionate, but it's trending. People are buying it right now. It's an evergreen item, right? So it doesn't matter what season it is. Someone can always use that, whether it's clothes, cologne, jewelry, everyday tools, appliances, tech gadgets. You want to be thinking like that. The creator who commits usually gets the sale. Okay, stop thinking, I just got off my job. Now let me go put some time into TikTok Shop. No, think, I just got off of my part-time job. Now let me work on my full-time job. All right. This is what you want to be thinking about full time. Even though that may be the 40-hour work week, this is where I'm putting all of my energy into, all of my commitment, my hard work, my smarts, my intelligence. All right. Because this is what's going to eventually, hopefully, replace your full time. Number five, treat TikTok Shop as an affiliate like a full-time job. If you treat it part-time, you're going to get part-time rewards, all right, or part-time earnings. If you treat it like a full-time job, you're going to see the benefits. You're going to see the payout, all right? It's definitely there. Set goals, track yourself, and hold yourself accountable. Ask yourself, hey, where am I at on this product? How many videos have I made for this? Have I reached out to the brand? When you get the emails and requests asking how much do you charge for a paid collab per video, don't be afraid to give a high amount. All right, you may want to start at $50 per video. You may now want to go up to $100 or 150, 175. I've recently done that, and I told a brand I charge $175 per video. And guess what? They honored it. So if you have 10,000, 40,000, 50,000 followers and they're actively engaging, you can go for the high amount. If they email you asking you, what are your rates? Let them know a good amount. Now this is per video, a paid collab per video. Now, a retainer, something totally different. If you want to do 15 to 30 videos for the whole month and let them retain your services, and then you want to charge $800, things of that nature, totally up to you. But definitely don't be afraid for one video to give them a good amount, because especially if they're selling a lot of stuff, they got money. Okay. Don't think they don't. Hey, let me know if this video has helped you. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos like this that's going to help you on your TikTok shop affiliate journey, also share this video with someone who can benefit from it. All right. I also am a TikTok shop coach. If you need help on your journey, the link is going to be in the description. I have a course called the Creator Classroom. It's a 6 weeks course. It's self-paced. However, we do meet on Mondays via Zoom, so it's a live call. I would love to help you take your account to the next level. All right, I've helped plenty of others, and they're seeing growth in their account and on their sales and in their monthly GMV and commissions. And I know that if they can do it, if I can do it, you can also. So this is what I've learned in a whole year of being on TikTok Shop. These things, if you take notes, if you implement them, you will see your account start growing. Okay. But don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to try something new. And hey, if you want me to be your coach, links down below, and I will see you on the next video.